So when we bought this trailer, we immediately started doing some improvements, and some of it we weren't very good at. So we did something, and it was better than nothing, but now we're redoing it to make it better. Stick around on this project video. Okay, so when we bought our trailer, we wanted to put some backsplash behind the sink here in the bathroom, and we got a little hasty when we did it, and it wasn't exactly what we wanted, but it was all they had, and so we put it in. Well, we've been noticing some better looks, and so today we're upgrading that look with a subway tile look, and we're using a product that I'm going to show you right now, and then we'll show you kind of the befores and afters and maybe a little installation. It's going to be a quick project, less than, well, it was right at 25 bucks, and it's going to make our bathroom look so much better. So like I said, we're going to upgrade that old tile look. It's not tile, it's a peel and stick vinyl tile, and we're upgrading it with this subway tile, and it is peel and stick mosaics, proudly made in the USA, and it comes in a sheet like this, one sheet per container here, or carton or whatever, and I figure it's going to take about 4 of these to get this project done. Very inexpensive. Like I said, this entire project is going to cost me 25 bucks. I picked these up at Lowe's, and they're just back there where the tile is. They're lightweight. They're easy to use. You just peel and stick. You'll notice that there's gaps here, and it actually says overlap here. So you take this sheet and you marry that up, and that's where the overlap is, and it's just that simple. So the first step is to remove the old stuff, and then we'll get to putting the new stuff in. Okay, so you have to be committed. If you put this on, it's going to stay on. This side came off real easy. This side, I took the original wallpaper right off. It's right here. I'll get a close-up of that. Yeah, see right here? That's wood. So, once you decide to do this, either leave it on, but we took this off and we just peeled part of the wall off too. No big deal, because I'm going to cover that back up again, but yeah, we'll see. I'm surprised it only happened right there. It didn't happen on this side, and it didn't happen on this one either. Okay, no big deal. We are going to cover that up. In fact, let's get to covering. So to do this project, really you don't need a lot of tools. It is peel and stick. Having a good little box knife type of thing is going to be good, because you're going to want your edges to be as straight as you can. And I'll show you this. And the way these sheets come out, they're already cut here, and then you overlap on this side. So when you're talking about your corners and your edges, you are going to need a straight edge to cut these, to cut a nice straight edge. So this will be my first one, and I'm going to install it so that I'm going to have a straight edge on this side. I'm going to cut this side off, and then we'll overlap going right to left. I'm sure that's going to work. I'm going to go all the way to there though. That looks so much better already. Then we'll put this last piece in that's going to go to the end here. Perfect. Well, okay, there you go. That's a much better look. It's nice and clean. I think what I might do is go get another sheet and then step this side down to where it kind of tears down, but we'll see. I really like it. Hey, don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and you know, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. Absolutely free, and I'm giving a money-back guarantee that you'll either like it or you won't. Hey, remember that a happy life starts in a happy place. We found ours, and we just made the bathroom a little bit nicer, motivating you to get the most out of your RV. Hey, thanks for coming along with us, and we'll see you in the next video.